Hi everyone. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on Bitcoin. And my name is Vimal. I'm doing this for the Bitcoin briefing. And if you look at what you're seeing right now, this is a typical consolidation after a breakdown. Very, very poor price action. This is price action that I expect to stay within a channel of sorts. So you can drop down here, rally back up. I do not expect the level of 6,115 to 6,112 to be broken. With that being said, if there is further downside, my expectation of support would come in approximately at this trend line, which is around 4,800 approximately. So there's some way to go. This is a large consolidation triangle pattern, and when you see these kinds of breaks, which is what I'm showing you right now, A, B, C, D, and E, you expect to see further declines to about 4,900, even 4,800 is entirely possible. Looking at the shorter term time frame, what we see here is very similar to what we just discussed on Litecoin, and it is potentially an ABC structure. Uh, this could also be the whole part of B here. So it's A, B, flat structure, and a move higher. Now, how would we know what's going to happen? The thinking process right now is very simple. Should you see continued declines, it should not get below 80 or 90% of this rally that we've seen, or this retracement higher that we've seen. So what I'm talking about is, let's just say that A ended right there. This should not trade below 5,240 per se. If that does occur, it's very likely that this whole thing is going to be either a flat formation, which is A, B, C, and then decline. What that means is you're going to see something like this. It's 1, B, and C, and then you start continuing your decline. So this is, in my opinion, a consolidation pattern. If you do rally, I think it will be a fortuitous set of circumstances where you'd be getting a better level at which to sell or sell short. This does not look like convincing price action whatsoever. Looking at the RSI and to see how momentum is faring really quickly, the RSI is again showing me no divergence. So it hasn't started diverging from the 15th of October. It has made new lows on a 4-hour chart. That tells me that you're going to see lower levels. So as of right now, I would not tell you to buy. I would not tell you to sell either, because maybe you can still see some sort of retracement higher. My thinking process is that the maximum retracement higher would be 50%, which is around 5.8, and that's the, I consider I'd consider it lucky if you get up to that level. But 5.7 is not out of the question. So if you do get a retracement up to about that level, I would start looking to reduce exposure. That's it for now. I will update again during the week, or if something pertinent or something important occurs. Thank you for your time.